Good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Vincent Vitanyega. I am the reporter number 3. So, today I will answer 3 arithmetic sequence problems. For the number 1, find the next 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence if the first term and the common difference are given. So, for the number 1, the given is negative 11. So, this is our first term and the common difference is 5. I just sum the common difference to the first term. Negative 11 plus 5 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 8. Negative 1 plus 5 is 4. Plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14. And for the number 2, find the number of terms of the given arithmetic sequence. So the given here is 41, the fourth term, and 105 for 12th term. So we need to find the B sub 18. So I used the shortcut that teacher of find the common denominator and common difference 105 minus 41 over 12 minus 4. So let's solve this. 105 minus 41 is 64 and 12 minus 4 is 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8. So now we found the common difference which is 8 and we need to find the first term to find the 18th term. So a sub 4 is equal to a sub 1 plus a times b. So I substitute the given in the formula. 41 is equal to a sub 1 plus 3 times b. 3 times 8 is 24. And I just substitute the 41 in the a sub 1. A sub 1 is 41 minus 24. 41 minus 24 is 17. So now we find the a sub 1 is 17. And we need to use the general formula to find the a sub 8. A sub n minus a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. We need to find that a sub 18. So our a sub 1 is 8. A sub 1 is 17 plus 18 minus 1 times 8. 18 minus 1 is 17 times 8, 136 plus 17, 153. So our a sub 18 is 153. So for the number 3, find the first 4 term of the given term sequence if the